At Giftpack, we have 3 types of campaigns you can choose from. First, let's take a look at the Marketplace campaign. It's ideal for individuals who prefer to personally select gifts for their recipients. You can start browsing by heading over to the Marketplace section and clicking the Start Order button. Or you can navigate to the dashboard and press Create Order at the top right corner and select Pick Gifts Myself. Here, add recipients that you want to choose gifts for. Press the I'm Ready button and confirm the recipient selection. Then, pick one recipient from the list if you want to give different products to each recipient. Or you can select all the recipients if you'll be sending out the same gifts to all of them. Click on the Gift Selection button to explore our vast pool of over 3.5 million products available for you to choose from. When you decided on the gift, click on it and press the Select Product button. Repeat these steps for the rest of your recipients. When you're finished, hit the button next at the top right corner and fill out the order information and recipient details. Once you double-check your order information, press Place Order and it will appear on the Orders page. Second is the Swags campaign. It is the perfect option for you if you want to add your company's logo, motto, or designs to the items. Go to the Swags tab. Select the Shop section. Here, you can browse items we have available for the swag campaigns. Click on any item and you'll be able to choose the color, size, and quantity of the item. You can also preview the logo customization on the product directly by uploading it to the box here. Press Add when you're finished. After, proceed to checkout by pressing the bag icon at the bottom right corner and clicking Place Order. In case you need to further customize your swag order, please navigate to the Proposal section here and submit an application form to get a swag proposal from us within 2 days. You can do so by clicking the Get Proposal button and filling out the submission form. Our third and final campaign type is Smart Gifting. We've highlighted the process of creating a smart order in our previous tutorial videos, so now I would like to emphasize the numerous benefits it offers. We believe smart gifting will bring the most benefit for both you and your recipients. Why? Because this campaign is unique in that it allows your recipients to choose their own gifts. Allow me to outline the steps involved for your recipients to receive a gift from you. Once we start the campaign, they will receive an email asking to fill out a questionnaire form. They will provide answers to a series of questions regarding their preferences, which our AI will consider while generating the perfect gift options for them. By the way, you can test out the questionnaire yourself by clicking on the Free Trial tab. Please note that results from the trial questionnaire will take up to 7 days to arrive, whilst the results for your recipients will arrive within 2 days. After they complete the questionnaire, they'll receive a redemption email with 5 gift options. It will look like this. Just as a quick reminder, you can customize the text and logo inside this page when creating an order. Here are 5 gift options that they can choose from. And if they like one of them, they can proceed to fill out the delivery information and claim their gift. If they don't like any of the proposed items, they can opt to donate their gift budget by clicking this button right here. It will take them to the Typeform where they can decide which charity to donate to. It is also possible for them to explore our marketplace, which is limited to their gift budget. They can click Explore More Options button and it will take them to the marketplace of gifts. They can choose any of those and proceed to fill out the delivery information. With Smart Gifting, we ensure that your recipients receive the most suitable gifts, thereby enhancing their satisfaction. Additionally, it saves you the time and effort required to personally select gifts for each recipient. Thank you for watching. You can check out more of our guides below.